Let me save you from an embarrassment at work. It's month end and your boss has asked you to post accruals and prepayment and you are confused because you don't even know what to do. Hi guys, welcome back to another edition of Accounting Mondays with Dami, where we make accounting easy, simple and practical. On today's edition, we'll be talking about accruals and prepayments in simple terms, no jargon. So first, what are accruals? Accruals in simple terms means that you have been offered a service but you are yet to pay for it. While prepayment or the other end in simple terms means that you've paid in advance for a service that you are yet to use. So let's take an example for each of them. For example, for your accruals, in June, you've consumed electricity but you are yet to pay for it. That's an example of accrual. Then for prepayment, you paid for office rent from June 2026 to May 2027. It means that you have paid advance for your rent, but you are yet to consume the rent expense. So now, let's look at how we are going to post this transaction in our books. For the accruals, what do? You are going to what? Debit your expense account, and you do what? You credit your accrued liabilities. Right? Then, for your prepayment, what do? You are going to say for prepayment, you are going to what? Debit your prepaid expense. Then do what? Credit bank. For prepayment, it doesn't end there because, as we said, you paid in advance for a particular service. We took rent, for example. You paid for rent for 12 months. So what do you do to the rent expense account? Because what has been posted here is just your prepaid expense account. For your rent expense for that particular month, let's say the sum is what? 10 million. Or let's say 12 million. You are going to do what? Divide this 12 million by 12. Then that means every month you're going to be paying 1 million. So what do you do at the end of every month? At the end of every month, you do what? You debit your rent expense account with this 1 million. Then you do what? You credit your prepaid expense account with the same amount, with 1 million. You have simply what? Posted that transaction at the end of that month. But in reality, do we use biro and paper to record? No. What we use is our Excel, and there's a way these prepaid and accruals are being posted using your accounting software as well as your Excel at the end of every month. If you want to know how to treat real life examples of accruals and prepayments, then you might need to register for our practical accounting bootcamp, where we are going to be taking you through how to do this in real life. So if you're interested, make sure to comment accounting below and I will reach out to you personally. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.